Hey vlog watchers, cross stitchers, family and friends. This is Deborah from I'll Be Stitching, and look what I finished. Yay, Unplug and Go Outside by Emma Condon. This is in her book, and it's cross stitch for the earth. And I love this. It's on 16 count Aida. It's 2 threads over 2 DMC threads. And this is my finish. And the funny thing is I finished it right before like 11 p.m. last night, and then the power went out in my house. It was like unexpected. We didn't have a storm or anything. It was just really strange, but this was fun right before the lights went out. Hope you're stitching, enjoying everything. Happy crafting.